COSMO-SkyMed. COSMO-SkyMed, constellation of small satellites for the Mediterranean Basin observation, is an Earth observation satellite space-based radar system funded by the Ministry of Education and Merit, Italian,
Ministero dell'Istruzione e del Merito,
MIM, and the Ministry of Defense, Italian,
Ministero della Difesa,
MDD, and conducted by the Italian Space Agency, Italian,
Agenzia Spaziale Italiana,
ASI, intended for both military and civilian use. The prime contractor for the spacecraft was Thales Alenia Space. COSMO-SkyMed is a constellation of 4 dual-use intelligence, surveillance, target acquisition, and reconnaissance, ISTER, Earth observation satellites, e-GEOS, with a synthetic aperture radar, SAR, as main payload, the result of the intuition of Giorgio Perrotta in the early 90s. The synthetic aperture radar was developed starting in the late 90s with the SAR 2000 program funded by ASI. The space segment of the system includes 4 identical medium-sized 1,700 kilograms, 3,700 pounds, satellites called COSMO-SkyMed, or COSMO, 1, 2, 3, 4, all equipped with synthetic aperture radar sensors with global coverage of the planet. Observations of an area of interest can be repeated several times a day in all weather conditions. The imagery is applied to defense and security assurance in Italy and other countries, seismic hazard analysis, environmental disaster monitoring, and agricultural mapping. The 4 satellites are in sun-synchronous polar orbits with a 97.90 degrees inclination at a nominal altitude of 619 kilometers, 385 miles, and an orbital period of 97.20 minutes. The local time ascending node at the equator is 6 o'clock. The operating life of each satellite is estimated to be 5 years. Each satellite repeats the same ground track every 16 days. They cross the equator at approximately 6 o'clock and 1800 hours local time each day and can image any point twice each day. The satellites are phased in the same orbital plane, with COSMO-SkyMed's 1, 3, and 2 at 90 degrees intervals followed by COSMO-SkyMed 4 at 67.5 degrees after COSMO-SkyMed 2. The offset of satellite 4 allows a 1-day interferometry mode for elevation information. The Sun Synchronous Orbit, SSO, is used due to power, electrical power subsystem, and revisit time requirements. The satellite's main components are 2 solar arrays for 3.8 kW at 42 volts direct current. Stabilization, navigation and global positioning system, GPS, systems. Synthetic aperture radar working in X-band. 300 gigabit onboard memory and 310 megabits per second data link with ground segments. The radar antenna is a phased array that is 1.4 times 5.7 meters, 4 feet 7 inches times 18 feet 8 inches. The system is capable of both single and dual polarization collection. The center frequency is 9.6 GHz with a maximum radar bandwidth of 400 MHz. United Launch Alliance, ULA, provided launch services for the satellites with their Delta II-74 2010C launch vehicles from Vandenberg Air Force Base, VAFB. Satellite processing for the first 2 satellites was handled by the Astrotech Space Operations Incorporated, ASO, formerly Spacehab Incorporated. The first satellite COSMO-1, COSPER 2007-023A, was launched at 2 hours and 34 minutes Coordinated Universal Time on June 8, 2007. COSMO-2, COSPER 2007-059A, was launched at 2 hours 31 minutes and 42 seconds Coordinated Universal Time on December 9, 2007, the launch having been delayed from December 6, 2007 due to bad weather, and problems with the rocket's cork insulation. COSMO-3, COSPER 2008-054A, was launched at 2:28 Coordinated Universal Time on October 25, 2008. COSMO-4, COSPER 2010-060A, was launched on November 6, 2010, at 2:20 Coordinated Universal Time. To replace the first COSMO-SkyMed constellation, the Italian Space Agency is developing the COSMO-SkyMed second-generation constellation, CSG. The second-generation Constellation has the same function of radar-based Earth observation with particular focus on the Mediterranean area as the first generation. Like the first generation, the second generation also consists of 4 satellites, CSG-1, CSG-2, CSG-3 and CSG-4. The satellites are improved versions of the first-generation satellites. Also, the radar payload CSG-SAR, COSMO-SkyMed second-generation synthetic aperture radar, is an improved version of the first-generation X-band SAR payload. Furthermore, the second-generation satellites will operate in the same orbit, indeed, in the same orbital plane, as the first-generation satellites. The second-generation satellites slightly outweigh the first-generation satellites at 2,205 kilograms, 4,861 pounds, of mass. The contract for building 2 satellites was signed in September 2015. In December 2020, another 2 satellites were ordered. The satellites are built by Thales Alenia Space, the successor company of Alenia Spazio. They have a planned lifetime of 7 years. CSG-1 was launched on December 18, 2019 by Soyuz 2STA from the Guyana Space Center, French,
Centre Spatial Guyanais,
CSG. CSG-2 was launched on January 31, 2022 by Falcon 9 Block 5 from Space Launch Complex 40, SLC-40, at the Cape Canaveral Space Force Station, CCSFS, while the CSG-3 satellite is scheduled to be launched in 2026 also on a Falcon 9 Block 5 launch vehicle. The ground segment of the system is composed of Command Center, Italian
Centro controllo e pianificazione missione del Fucino.
Tracking and data stations, Argentine Cordoba Station, Sweden Kiruna Station. User ground segments, Italian Matera Civil User Ground Segment, Italian Pratica di Mare Defense User Ground Segment, France Defense User Ground Segment. The governments of Argentina and France are involved respectively in the civil and military segments of the system. The COSMO-SkyMed satellites have 3 basic types of imaging modes. Spotlight, a high-resolution mode collected over a small area by steering the radar beam slightly fore to aft during the collection period. Strip map, a medium-resolution mode collected over long, continuous swaths in which the beam is pointed broadside to the satellite track. Scan SAR, a low-resolution mode that creates extra-wide swaths by collecting short segments at different ranges and then mosaicing them together. There are 2 spotlight modes. Spotlight 1, which is a military-only mode. Spotlight 2, which provides a resolution of 1 meter, 3 feet 3 inches, over a 10 by 10 kilometers, 6.2 by 6.2 miles, area. Spotlight polarization is limited to either HH or VV. There are 2 strip map modes. HIMAGE, which provides a resolution of between 3 and 5 meters, 9.8 and 16.4 feet, over a swath of 40 kilometers, 25 miles. Ping pong, which collects dual polarization data at 15 meters, 49 feet, resolution over a swath of 30 kilometers, 19 miles. The dual polarization data can consist of any 2 polarizations, horizontal-horizontal, HH, transmits horizontally, receives horizontally, vertical-vertical, VV, transmits vertically, receives vertically, horizontal-vertical, VH, transmits horizontally, receives vertically, cross-polarized, vertical-horizontal, HV, transmits vertically, receives horizontally, cross-polarized, and it is non-coherent, as it is collected in pulse groups that alternate from one polarization to the other. There are 2 scan SAR modes. Wider region, which provides 30 meters, 98 feet, resolution data over a swath of 100 kilometers, 62 miles. Huge region, which provides 100 meters, 330 feet, resolution data over a swath of 200 kilometers, 120 miles. The system is sized to collect up to 450 images per satellite per day. e-GEOS, SPA, a joint venture between European spaceflight services company Telespazio SPA, 80%, and the Italian Space Agency, 20%, has the exclusive worldwide commercial rights to sell COSMO-SkyMed data and products. The COSMO-SkyMed satellites are lesser-known deliverers of satellite flares, sometimes approaching magnitude -3. Flares come mainly from SAR panels of the satellites. Although overshadowed by the Iridium satellites, the flares are often long-lasting, with the satellites traversing much of the sky at brighter-than-average magnitudes.